This market, which is being built in the heart of Kabul city by a private investor with an investment of more than 500 million Afghanis, is 90% completed and will provide direct employment for 10,000 people.
The Zazai Grand Market is dedicated to clothing, cosmetics, children products and wearables, sandals and boots, mobile phones and electronic devices, repair tools as well as decorative curtains for homes. Likewise, it also offers blanket, bedding and food items.
According to officials of the mentioned market, they have used domestic products in the construction of this market, and the municipality is seriously monitoring the quality of its work.
For its construction, all the materials used, whether imported or locally sourced, are from Afghan companies. We also have an engineering department here, and everything that is produced or utilized in this market is truly inspected once by our engineering team.
The Zazai Grand Bazaar project, which has about 2,700 shops, includes a green space, a mosque, 2 large parking lots for sellers and buyers, with a capacity to park about 2,000 cars and restaurants and other facilities.